Hello YouTube, I am going to put some water in my tank and see if everything holds. So I have everything hooked up and I'll give you a quick tour before I add some water. Okay, here's my water input area. I have the hose connected to the hose fill, and then this is just a gravity fill. You can dump it in with whatever jug you have on hand. And then coming around here, there's Charlie. Hey, Char. To the tank area. Here's the inputs again. This is the gravity fill hose. I'm sorry, this is the gravity fill hose, and this is the gravity fill water inlet with the city hose fill. And then this is the air vent. So I'm gonna try it with the hose first, which means the water should come through here and around and down and into the tank. Hopefully everything is capped off and watertight. And then I'll start by just trying to fill it up, and then I'll turn the pump on and try everything else from there. You can see you just have cold water going down through here. Here's where the sink will be. Obviously don't have the cabinetry or sink hooked up yet, but I do want to try the water before I install all of that stuff, just so I can address the problems more easily if they occur. And then going down here to the hot water heater. The hot water will go to this mixing valve here to make it constant temperature, and then out, and then also hooked up here to my shower head. So I'm gonna test it all out right now. I don't have drains yet, so I'm gonna be using this big ugly bucket to catch the water. Oh, okay, I'm gonna turn on the water now. Let's see how it goes. It's gonna start slow. Go check. All right, well, the tank is filling up. Kind of hard to see the water flowing, but it is flowing through here into the tank. I already have, yeah, it's going good. Okay. Let's check here for leaks. This is my most worrisome part. Looks good. Of course, you can't see that water in there at all. Okay, I'm gonna turn that up a little. So far, so good. Still good. No leak. Oh, shoot, there's a leak. See that? Drip, drip. And all right, stop. Okay, fix that intake valve leak that we saw when I was filling it up and got the tank pretty full. I turned on the pump and tried it, and there were several major leaks. So I tightened some clamps down and tightened some other things down that were leaking. It was a little leaky under the water heater and then at this connection here. But we're gonna try it again. Here we go. All right, turn the pump on. Got my pump switch here. Pump's sounding good. Fix that middle leak. So it turned off because I don't have the water all the way turned on yet. So that's good. That means the system is working appropriately. So far, no leaks, no leaks. Okay, we'll turn this on. This is the danger part. It was leaking up in here earlier. Oh. There. Cool. And a leak here at the shower. Okay. Okay, I have running water. That's the best. There are a couple leaks on the shower, which also works great. Look at that shower pressure. Really nice showers. Water pressure, I mean. Yeah, just that, but that's not, I have to take that down anyways to put the wall up, so I have to redo that. I'll just make sure and use enough tape up there and a little bit of a leak right here on this hot water valve. But otherwise, everything looks good. Come on out. I have to have the hot water. Anyway, running water in a van. I can't believe it. Let's do it again. Oops. I'm gonna have so much water. 36 gallons is a lot. 6 settings on this guy. Let's see. No. Maybe. That looks okay. No. That was the best. Okay. Cool. Tighten down. Now I gotta build my sink. In my next video, I will build the sink cabinetry and install the undercarriage gray water tank. Maybe I'll even get my drains in. Thanks for joining me on my van build journey. See you next time.